everyone, welcome to another video. I had a message a few videos ago about people being in the wrong lane, and can I put it down to sat navs being incorrect, telling us the wrong lanes? So today, for these first two clips anyway, I'm going to put it to the test with Google Maps and Waze. The first trip will be used by Google Maps, just a short journey into Leatherhead train station. The second one will be used by Waze, doing pretty much the same journey, and let's see how they get on. So bear with us for a couple of minutes.
Head northeast on Guildford Road, B2122 towards Mill Lane. In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto Station Road, A245.
I will speed it up when the sat nav isn't saying anything.
Take the next left onto Station Road, A245, then turn right onto Station Approach. Take the next right onto Station Approach, A245, then use the right two lanes to turn right onto Randalls Road. Use the right two lanes to turn right onto Randalls Road, A245, then turn left onto Station Approach. Take the next left onto Station Approach, then your destination will be on the right.
Now I hope you spotted that they wanted someone to turn left from the right hand lane. Use both lanes to turn right into this road, so automatically you would be in the wrong lane to turn left.
Your destination is on the right.
And obviously my destination is on the left, not the right. So let's see if Waze can do any better. We're still doing this pretty much the same journey. We just round another corner. You'll see it as soon as I pull out where we are.
All set, let's go. Keep right onto B2122, Waterway Road. In 900 feet, turn left onto A245, Station Road. Turn left onto A245, Station Road. In 600 feet, use either lane to turn right onto A245, Randalls Road. Then turn left. Turn right onto A245, Randalls Road.
So there we have it. Use either lane to turn right, which makes you in the wrong lane when you get here to turn left. So yes, the answer to the question is they can make mistakes and make you be in the wrong lane. So thanks for the question and keep them coming. So let's get back to the normal stuff now, shall we? Right, this car coming out of the petrol station. His positioning is all wrong, which makes him have to do that. Well, he didn't have to do that, but he did that.
If you pulled out of there properly, you'd be behind the line. You didn't have to do it like that. It's stupid driving.
Same car further down the road. Shows very little patience in waiting for someone to pull over.
Does that, you know? It's like, just wait. Let them do their manoeuvre, which they shouldn't be doing anyway up there. Why are you trying to overtake them there?
Same car again. A little bit further down the road. There's a pedestrian waiting at that zebra crossing. Supposed to stop. Now, in previous videos, we've had quite a bit of discussion in the message board about bad signage and everything. This is bad signage up here. I'm being picky, yes. I'm on the A23. This leads onto the M23. You can stay on the A23 if you want, if you go straight on there. But if you bear left, you go onto the M23. Not the M25, as it says there. The M23 up there is what we're on. The M25 is, you can get to it from this road. So it's wrong signage. It can be confusing for newbies that are on the road, you know. Up here, if you don't know these road signs, the M23 is what you're on. If it's in brackets, it's what you can get to from this road. That's correct, M23. It's just a little bit confusing, that's all. And it doesn't need to be. The person who obviously put that on the road is a bit of a, well, I won't say it. In this clip, I'm on the M23. And that car goes right across solid white lines there. It's a bit far away, so it's a bit blurry. But right across solid white lines. There's nothing on the road. It's New Year's Day, so there's not a lot of traffic on the road. And that red car that he overtook is there next to me. So he's gained pretty much nothing. But people say, or talk about people's driving styles. And I thought, what a load of nonsense it is, a driving style. But is that his driving style, that he just goes over solid white lines because he obviously don't understand them? Possibly, when you see what's coming up. I mean, there's no need to do it. The road's empty. Now we've got another one of these here. It's pretty straightforward. The right lane is a right turn only. The left lane is a left turn only. And the middle lane is a straight on only. Now a lot of people say that I'm picky at this, that people often get in the wrong lane. They don't mean to, it's just that they get in the wrong lane. But this guy here, he's done the knowledge. The London cabbie should not be ever in the wrong lane. They know everything about London roads. But whether they care or not is a different thing.
Oh, right. And then you get the cab. He's done the knowledge though, so he knows that that left-hand lane doesn't go right. Done the knowledge.
And obviously we get a few that just like to go through the red. I think this guy just gets a little bit bored with people hogging the outside lane.
Feel better for that, do you? Idiot.
People also get the ump with me when I call these people professional drivers. Let's just call him a minicab then, shall we? Obviously, he doesn't like doing the speed limit, and he's looking to overtake me here. It's a single lane, and he's had a good look, but he couldn't see that. It took him a while to see that. But it's a single lane, so he shouldn't be overtaking me anyway, especially as it's only 20 miles an hour down here. And as we come up to the roundabout here, he gets into the wrong lane to try to overtake me, but he hasn't got any speed at all. So he's out in the wrong lane there.
They just cannot do it, can they? They just cannot get in the correct lane. All they know is speed.
Now coming up, I've got an amber light. That there is plenty of time for me to stop, but I'm not going to stop because I've got this idiot behind me who I know that could rear end me because he's not going to stop. Although it looks like he's got quite a bit of distance, you can see him put his foot down there. It's exactly what I thought he would do. So as I've said in previous videos, that is why I don't stop at ambers sometimes. Now I've left this clip running just for you petrol heads. I've got a few petrol heads on here that notice nice cars. So there's a nice car on the left hand side here. Haven't a clue what it is, but it looks nice. So can some of my experts on here tell me exactly what that car is? I'm pretty sure you do. I'm pretty sure there's someone on here that would know what that is. Right, in this clip here, there's a motorbike coming out from the left hand side. Sorry, I meant scooter. I'm getting told off by motorbikes that these are scooters as well. So this scooter here, do you think that he could see what was coming in front of him? I mean, that red car had to swerve out of his way there.
Good bit of riding that, mate. Really good bit of riding. Could you see cars coming towards you when you pulled out like that? Idiot.
Sometimes the camera just doesn't do things justice. This car here should never have pulled out, and it was a lot closer than what it looks.
Fucking hell. They look at you as if you're doing something wrong driving in a straight line.
I'm on the good old M25 again. It's New Year's Day, so there's not a lot of traffic on the M25. If you know the M25, this is empty. But still, people have to leave it till the bloody last second to get over. There's something about this junction, the M3. It happens every single time I go past it. And I let it run on a little bit just to show the middle lane brigade that I am going to move over as soon as I get past the junction, because it happens there every time I use this road.